Look at this. Just look at this. I bring my nice wader and I'm wearing Crocs. Why? Because I left my boots. And we need to get across to that island. So stay tuned. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. Today, we are out on the island. As you guys can see, childhood spot. I grew up fishing here. We are going to be doing some panfish today. You guys will watch some recent clip of my brother and I just smoking the crappies. Like, oh, look at my bobber. Oh, dude, it's a nice fish, dude. What is that? It's a smallmouth. Please be a rock bass. Ah, man, this is smallmouth. Dude, it's actually a pretty big one, dude. I know. Oh, dude. Yeah. Yeah, it's stacked. Just wish they were bigger. Oh, I just missed one. Oh, there we go. Yep. Oh, that's a nice one. Look, that's big crappie. Big crappie, dude. Yeah, big crappie. Oh my God, it's huge. That. There's big crappie, dude. Oh, geez. Yeah. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Dude, big ass. Yeah, I'm keeping this guy for sure. Dang, that's what I'm talking about right there. There we go, David. Yeah, it's good for this river, that's for sure. I'm gonna keep you hooked while I take the string off. Let's go. Yeah, they're a lot bigger. What's up? Yeah, look at that giant. Hey, that's a good one, bro. Grabbing it. Yeah, see, there you go. That's a nice one. Show the camera. Yeah, good for that size. Good for this river, I mean. So hopefully you guys enjoyed those clips. We caught some slabs, caught some rock bass, smallies, stuff like that. But overall, they're all pretty small. Let's go ahead and focus on the panfish. We're going to use the panfish to catch some catfish, and hopefully it turns out right. So with that being said, stay tuned, enjoy this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys. We're already on the water. Alright, so I got done talking on the phone with my dad, and he said he wants some crappies. Definitely not the small ones, but he said decent ones. And the water level got really low, actually, last time my brother and I were here. So let's hope there's any fish here. There's a lot of suckers. You can see the suckers out there. But yeah, the water got really low by like a foot. So I don't know. I don't know what that means, but let's see. See if we can make it happen. Yeah, you can see the suckers trying to race up to the dam. Oh, I got one. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Yep. There's a ton of these the other day. So we're not going to keep these. I mean, it'd be a good cut bait, but we'll let you go. Pretty fish. Whoa, whoa. Oh, dude, I broke off. That was a pike. Oh my gosh. Ah, really? Broke me off on the cast. That was a decent fish. I think it was a pike because I saw the silver body of it. It wasn't big, but an ultralight rod, yeah. Dang. So yeah, today I'm using a 160-pound sled jig head from Dick Smith here. It's super shallow, so using something like this is very ideal. I think it's gonna break me off that fast. Oh, now we know, right? Now we know. For plastic, I'm using this like green little crappie drake thingy, whatever. Since it's so shallow, I don't think visibility is a problem. These fish can see pretty good today. Alright, so we're gonna go and try the bridge. My brother and I, we did really good by the bridge. Just go give it a shot. Why not? Sometimes they're hidden under like shaded areas. Just pay attention. You'll see them run around like crazy. The suckers and the quillbacks. There's tons of them. Oh, there they go. Yep, see, there they go. Boom, all over the place. There's so many. Look, they're like everywhere. Look at that. Look, they're all right here. I don't know if you guys can see it in the lens, but there's so many. Jeez, almost slipped. Whoa, there's a ton of them. Yeah, these small ones are nice. I mean, good cut bait. There we go. Ah, yeah, it's so much fun. I'm about to put some in my pocket. Keep them as cut bait. They're not big, but they're feisty. Oh my gosh. Again. Those are like the really tiny guys. There we go. Ah, yeah. It's the same fish. Oh. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, much better. I think, yeah, this one my dad will want. That's a much better fish. Yeah, my dad will like these. Yeah, these are good. He said he wants some where he can deep fry, you know, like just throw the whole thing, which that's not bad, you know. It's a little, it's like a 7-incher, so it's not bad. We'll keep them. Question is, how am I gonna do this now? Jeez. Alrighty, you got one on the board, guys. You got one. Got another one. Oh, smaller one. But the color pattern on these things are really cool again. It's pretty nice. Too small. Hey guys, if I catch a ton of those, I'm not gonna put it in the clip, okay? I think at this point you guys get how much, you guys understand how much crappie there is in this spot. So, probably just gonna put the like decent one, okay? I'll try to at least. There we go. Yeah. Man, it's fun. £4 test. Ultralight rod. Doesn't get better than this. Oh my god. Yep, this one's decent. Ah, jeez, relax. He's okay. He's on the skinnier side, so we'll let him go. Let him go, so let him grow. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, that's a better. That's the same side. I'm gonna hug you so you don't escape, dude. That's a yeah. There you go. It's much better. But this river, much better. Much better fish for my dad. Oh, there we go. That's a nice one. Jeez. Big white bass. Oh my gosh. Big white bass. Dude, it's massive. An ultralight rod too is crazy. Yeah. There you go. Haha. Yes. Where have you been this whole time? Keeping you, that's for sure. Keeping you. Get a meal going here. Big old white bass. Nice. The bobber trick clutched. Nice crappie. Not big enough to keep though. It's decent, but yeah, I'll let him go. It's pretty skinny. Oh no, my float. Big fish. Our float popped off. Oh, it's a walleye, dang. Oh, it's a pike. Oh man, there goes my float. Relax. This is why he got quiet. Yep. What I broke off earlier. A little crappie jig. Yep, little dude. There we go. Nice. Nice smallmouth. Real guy? There we go. Yeah. Crappie. Might have to just start keeping some. Just to make up for the meal for my dad. Oh, there we go. That's I got one. Jeez. He snatched the rod right out of my hand.